First, I'm going to start off by disconnecting the battery. It's very important to disconnect the battery before you do anything else, because if the battery is connected, then it can damage the motherboard or any other parts. So you just want to flip the unit over and remove the bottom cover screws. Once the bottom cover screws are removed, you can take your plastic spudger and remove the bottom cover. And then just disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Now that the battery is disconnected, you can just place the bottom cover back on so that it doesn't cause any scratches or damages to the inside parts. And then flip the unit over and open it up. And then you can take your plastic spudger and carefully remove the bezel. Once the bezel is removed, you can remove the screws holding the LCD in. And then take the LCD out and flip it over. And on the back side is the LCD cable. So you can remove that cable and then take out the LCD. Then you can grab your new LCD and flip it over. Reconnect the LCD cable. Place the LCD back into the top cover. Now you can put the screws back in. And then you can put the bezel back on. And then close the unit, flip it back over, and remove the bottom cover. Now to reconnect the battery, you can just take the battery cable and reconnect it to the motherboard. And then put the bottom cover back on. And then once the bottom cover is back on, you can put the screws back in. And now to verify the replacement, you can flip the unit over and plug in the AC adapter. Open the unit up and hit the power button. If the unit turns on, then that means the replacement was successful. And if you would like to check the battery, you can just unplug the AC adapter, and if the unit stays on, then that means the battery is working. So now you can shut the unit off and close the unit.